Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by pausing sync and unlinking OneDrive so files don't conflict while moving. Open OneDrive from the taskbar, select Help and Settings, then pause syncing briefly. Next, choose Settings Account, unlink this PC and confirm. This disconnect prevents background writes. Make a quick note of where your current OneDrive folder lives so you can compare later. Once done, close the app and prepare the new destination folder with the desired path and adequate free space. Now you'll select the new location and transfer files safely. Create a dedicated folder on the target drive, prefer NTFS for permissions, then copy the current OneDrive contents into it. Copying first preserves a fallback. Once the copy finishes, verify file integrity and sizes to match the original. Make sure not to place the folder inside another synced cloud folder or a system-protected directory. After validation, delete the original files only if everything looks correct. Keeping a temporary backup is wise. Finish by relinking OneDrive to the new folder. Launch OneDrive and sign in. When prompted for folder location, choose Change Location and navigate to your new folder so OneDrive recognizes existing files instead of duplicating. Let OneDrive index and reconcile any differences. This may take time for large libraries. Once sync shows up to date, verify selective sync settings. Troubleshooting tip: if files won't reconcile, right-click the folder, check NTFS permissions, and clear the OneDrive cache or run the OneDrive reset command to force a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.